pappardelle with tomato, fennel and sausage ragu. This tomato ragu gets its rich flavour from the Leggo's Italian herbs passata. Start by heating the oil in a large frying pan. Add the onion and fennel and cook stirring for 5 minutes or until the onion softens. Add the garlic and the sausage and cook stirring for 5 minutes or until the sausage is golden brown. Stir in the Leggo's Italian herbs passata, then reduce the heat to low and bring to a simmer. Simmer for 10 minutes or until the fennel is tender. Cook the pasta in a large saucepan of boiling water until al dente, then drain. Divide the pasta among serving bowls. Top with the sausage ragu, sprinkle with parmesan and basil leaves. To finish, season with pepper. Serve with a garden salad. This hearty ragu makes comfort food easy. Try it for a fuss-free weeknight dinner.